واضح السؤال. طبعا هنا السؤال بيقول in the opposite figure in which measure the angle ABC equals 90 degrees. ABC equals 90 degrees. AB equals 7, BC equals 24, CD equals 20, AD equals 15. طبعا make sure the sides are written in the graph. يعني تأكد ان الارقام بتاعتك موجوده والجيفن كلها على الرسمه. Look, prove that measure the angle ADC. Prove that the measure of the angle ADC equals 90 degrees. يعني عايز تجيب كميات 90 degrees. Prove this angle is 90 degrees. First, you have to find all the sides. انت عندك AD is given, DC is given. You have to find AC. You have to find AC. يعني لازم تجيب ال AC. طيب ال AC طبيعي هنستخدم ايه؟ بيثاغورس ثيورم اللي احنا خدناه الحصه اللي فاتت بكل بساطه. فانا عندي هنا البروف بتاعنا. هنبدا ب end the triangle. هتبدا باي تراينجل اللي فيه الجيفنز موجوده تقدر تتحرك فيه. تراينجل ABC. end the triangle ABC. ايه التراينجل ده؟ measure the angle B equals 90. معنى كده ان التراينجل ده right angle triangle, so we can apply Pythagorean. Then AB squared plus BC squared equals 7 squared plus 24 squared equals. Okay, so 7 squared okay, so we have to find the 7 squared is 49 plus this is 500, maybe 560, 76, so 24 squared equals 576 equals 49 plus 549 equals 625. Now we have found, sorry, this equals AC squared. This equals AC squared. So AC squared equals 625. Now by taking the square root, so AC equals square root 625 equals 25 centimeters. So we have found the AC, which is 25 centimeter. Now you can use the converse of the theorem. عندك AD equals 15, DC equals 20, AC is 25. So you have to make sure that AD squared plus DC squared equals AC squared. So first, AD squared plus AD squared in the triangle ADC. نبدأ نشوف AD squared plus DC squared equals what? Equals 15 squared plus 20 squared equals 15 squared plus 20 squared equals 225 plus 400 equals 625. Okay, so this is 1. AC squared we have found it before, but it's okay to find it again. 25 squared equals 625 also. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2. Then triangle, then نقدر نقول then AD squared, then AD squared plus DC squared equals AC squared. Okay, then the triangle ABC is right at angle D, or you can write measure the angle ADC equals 90 degrees. So this is a very easy problem. Inshallah, you will solve it correctly. So first you have to find the length of AC by using Pythagorean theorem. Then you have to find AD squared plus DC squared, and it will equal to AC squared. Then the triangle is right at D. Okay, hope you okay. Number 3 says in the opposite figure, uh, in the opposite figure, AC equals 12, BC equals 9 centimeter, AD, this is D. AD equals 17 centimeter, BD equals 8, and the measure of the angle ABD equals 90 degrees. Find the length of AB. Find the length of AB. This is the first required. Prove that AC is perpendicular to BC. AC is perpendicular to BC. This means that you have to prove that this measure is right. You have to prove that this angle is right. Find the area of the figure. Okay, so find the measure of the area of the figure ABBC by finding this area and this area, then element. Okay, no problem. So in the proof, we will start the first triangle. We want to find AB. So in the triangle, ABD, AB, ABD, AB, AB. This is okay. This triangle is right at the angle ABD. Okay, this triangle is right. So you can use the Pythagorean theorem. But what is the required? The required is one side, so we have to subtract. So AB squared equals AD squared, which is the hypotenuse. AD equals the hypotenuse minus BD squared equals 17 squared minus 8 squared equals 17 squared equals 289 minus 64 equals minus 64 equals 225. Okay. Now AB squared equals 225. So AB equals the square root of 225 equals 15 something. Okay. So now you have found the length of AB, which is 15 centimeters. Now this is the first required. The second required is to prove that AC is perpendicular to BD. In order to prove that, you have to prove that the angle C is right by using the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. The converse of Pythagorean theorem, taking the small side squared, taking the sum of the square of the smaller sides, it has to be equals AB squared. So in the triangle ABC. Now in triangle ABC. Okay, we will work in this triangle. So AC equals what? AC equals 12, BC equals 9, AB equals 12. So AC squared plus BC squared. Okay, AC squared plus BC squared. BC squared equals 12 squared plus 12 squared plus 9 squared. 12 squared plus 9 squared. Okay, 12 squared plus 9 squared equals 144 plus 81 equals 225. Okay, make it number 1. And AB squared equals 15 squared equals 225. So from 1 and 2, then اللهم صل على محمد AC squared plus BC squared اللي هو ده equals AB squared, then measure the angle C equals 90 degrees. 90 degrees. خلاص أثبتنا in AC squared plus CD squared equals AB squared. Then this angle is right, so AC is perpendicular to BC. Then then AC is perpendicular to BC. Okay, and this is the second required. Okay. So this is right angle. We have proved that this is a right angle. Now the third required is to find the area of the figure ABDC. To find the area of the figure okay, the area of the figure ABCD. We have proved that AC is perpendicular to BC, so this angle is 90 degrees. Now this is 90 degrees. In order to find this area, we have to find the area of this triangle first, and then this triangle. We have found that AB equals 15 centimeters. Okay. Now we have to find the area of the triangle ABD first. Okay, equals, as you know, the area equals half times base times height. Okay, area of the base times height, half the area of the base times height equals half times 8 times height here is 17. This is the base and this is the height. This is the base and this is height, 8 times 15. Okay, so it equals 4 times 15 equals 60 centimeter squared. Now to find the area of the second triangle, the area of the triangle ABC. And this is the base and this is height, or this is the base or this height. So we'll take AC and BC. A equals also half times base times height equals half times base equals 9 times 12 equals 6 times 9 is 54 centimeter squared. Okay, so now we will find the total area, or the area of the figure lower A C D B C. Okay, the area of the figure A D B C equals the sum of these areas, 60 plus 54. 60 plus 54 equals 114 centimeters squared. Okay, so this we will have to find the length of AC. We have to find the length of AC. So in the prof, and this is inshallah very easy, like number 1. Prof, in the triangle, and in triangle ABC, measure of the angle B equals 90 degrees. Okay, so we can apply the Pythagorean theorem. So AC squared equals BA squared plus BC squared equals 12 squared plus 16 squared equals 144 plus maybe 256, I don't know, I'm not sure. 256, so the result will be 400. Okay, so AC squared equals 400. Now AC, by taking the square root of 400, equals 20 centimeters, as we have found. So AC we have found. يبقى احنا عندنا هنا in the triangle خلاص احنا جبنا دي ولاد in we have found it equals 20 centimeters. We will say now in the triangle ADC. أبدأ أشوف السايدز، أخذ smaller side AC squared plus DC squared equals 15 squared plus 20 squared equals 225 plus 400 equals 625. This is number 3. Also, we will take d squared equals 25 squared equals 625, and this is number 4 from 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Now, so this side equals this side. Then AC squared plus DC squared equals AD squared. From here, then measure the angle. The required angle is ACD. Measure the angle ACD equals 90 degrees. Okay, I think it's very easy to solve all of these problems. I think it's very easy. You can apply Pythagorean theorem at its converse. Very easy. Okay. Now, okay, we can take another problem from the student's book, page 74. Page 74. Page 74 also, there may be the same ideas in page 74, 70. Okay. Very easy problems. You can apply, solve this. Try to solve the problems page 74.